The Flourish Relationships and Sexuality Education Programme was published in April. Developed by the Irish Catholic Bishops' Conference, the programme seeks to intertwine Catholic ethos in this vital part of primary school education. The Flourish programme proposes a perspective on what a family is, based on church teachings, and out of step with our recent referendum and a modern, inclusive Ireland. The Flourish programme says puberty is a gift from God and that we are perfectly formed to procreate with Him. This has implications for pupils gaining a sense of bodily autonomy and a deeper understanding of their own health. Students want and need more practical skill development to gain confidence on topics such as bodily autonomy and consent at age-appropriate levels, rather than spending class time on religious doctrine. A central issue here is the lack of choice of schools in Ireland. 90% of our primary schools are of Catholic ethos, while more than 22% of our population, according to the 2016 census, are minority or non-religious. We ask that you join us in requesting the removal of the Flourish programme and the enactment of the Objective Education Bill. Please sign and share our petition to Minister Norma Foley on change.org. Thank you for listening.